Right, listen up. Today we're diving headfirst into a culinary battle of epic proportions. It's the question that's plagued seafood lovers for ages, a proper Piscine punch-up. Which fish reigns supreme? Salmon or cod? Forget your flimsy opinions and your half-baked theories. We're not messing about here. We put these two popular seafood choices to the ultimate blind taste test to find out. No peeking, no cheating, just pure, unadulterated flavor. Get ready for a culinary showdown that will leave your taste buds tantalized and your assumptions shattered. This is serious business, people. Ever wondered which fish is truly the tastiest? Of course you have. You sit there with your lemon wedge and your tartar sauce thinking you know it all. Well, prepare to have your palate properly educated. Join us as we dive into a blind taste test showdown between the beloved rich salmon and the versatile flaky cod. We're stripping away the fancy names, the restaurant hype, and getting down to what really matters: taste, texture, and that X factor that makes a fish truly memorable. Prepare to be surprised by the unexpected winner, or maybe, just maybe, your favorite will come out on top. And for all you aspiring chefs and home cooks who think you've got a discerning palate, here's your challenge. Salmon versus cod. Can you guess which fish you're eating? It sounds simple, doesn't it? But under pressure, blindfolded, with only your senses to guide you, it's a different kettle of fish altogether. We blindfolded our taste testers, brave souls, every one of them, to see if they can tell the difference between these two popular seafood options. Find out if you can match our results. Don't just sit there, get involved. Right, let's talk about salmon. This isn't just any fish, this is a titan of the seafood world, a proper A-lister. When you think of a beautiful piece of fish, that vibrant pink, almost orange hue of a quality salmon fillet often springs to mind, doesn't it? It's got that immediate visual appeal, a promise of richness before it even hits the pan. It screams luxury, it whispers indulgence. The flavor profile of salmon, well, it's unmistakable. It's rich, it's buttery, it's got a distinct character that stands up for itself. You don't need to muck about with a million ingredients to make salmon taste good. A bit of salt, a bit of pepper, maybe a squeeze of lemon, and you're on your way to something truly special. It's a confident flavor, bold and satisfying. And that texture, oh, that beautiful, flaky yet firm texture. When cooked properly, it just melts in your mouth. It's not mushy, it's not tough. It's that perfect balance that seafood lovers dream about. Each flake separates beautifully, carrying with it all that incredible flavor and those wonderful omega-3s. It's a textural delight, a proper sensation. One of the brilliant things about salmon is its sheer versatility. You can grill it, bake it, pan-sear it, poach it, smoke it. Bloody hell, you can even eat it raw in sushi or sashimi if it's high enough quality. It takes to so many different cooking methods like a natural. It's like the culinary equivalent of a multi-talented athlete. Think about a perfectly pan-seared salmon with crispy skin. That sound, that smell, it's enough to make your mouth water. The contrast between that shatteringly crisp skin and the tender moist flesh beneath is just divine. It's a simple preparation, but when done right, it's a masterpiece. It shows the fish in its best light. Then you've got baked salmon, perhaps with some herbs and lemon slices, all wrapped up in parchment paper. It steams in its own juices, becoming incredibly tender and aromatic. That's a healthy, delicious way to enjoy it, letting the natural flavors really shine through without a lot of fuss. It's elegant, it's clean. Smoked salmon, of course, is a classic for a reason. Whether it's hot smoked or cold smoked, that smoky infusion adds another layer of complexity to its already rich flavor. Piled on a bagel with cream cheese or delicately draped over scrambled eggs, it's a touch of luxury, a proper treat. It's breakfast, brunch, or a fancy appetizer. And let's not forget salmon in salads or flaked into pasta dishes. It adds a protein punch and a burst of flavor that can elevate a simple meal into something far more exciting. It's not just a centerpiece, it can be a fantastic supporting actor too, bringing its unique qualities to the ensemble. The richness of salmon comes from its higher fat content, but it's the good kind of fat, those wonderful omega-3 fatty acids. So not only does it taste incredible, but it's also bloody good for you. Brain food, heart food, it's a win-win. You can indulge and feel good about it, what's not to love? This fish is often considered a favorite, and it's easy to see why. It delivers on so many fronts: flavor, texture, versatility, and even visual appeal. It's a crowd pleaser, a go-to for special occasions, and a reliable choice for a delicious weeknight meal. It commands respect on the plate. When you're buying salmon, look for that vibrant color, that firm flesh. Avoid anything that looks dull or feels slimy. Freshness is key, as with any seafood. don't be afraid to ask your fishmonger questions. A good fishmonger is worth their weight in gold, or in this case, prime salmon. People often make the mistake of overcooking salmon. It dries out, it becomes tough, and you lose all that beautiful succulence. Alright, now let's turn our attention to the other contender in this fishy face-off cod. If salmon is the rich, flamboyant superstar, then cod is the strong, silent type. It's the reliable workhorse of the seafood world. And let me tell you, there's a lot to be said for reliability and versatility. Don't underestimate cod. Cod is renowned for its mild, almost sweet flavor. It doesn't hit you over the head like some other fish. It's more subtle, more delicate. This mildness is actually one of its greatest strengths, as it makes cod incredibly adaptable. It's a blank canvas, ready to soak up whatever delicious flavors you throw at it. And the texture? Beautifully white, flaky, and tender when cooked correctly. It separates into these gorgeous moist flakes that are just a joy to eat. It's not oily, it's not heavy, it's light and clean on the palate. That texture is what makes it so perfect for so many classic dishes. Speaking of classic dishes, you can't talk about cod without mentioning fish and chips. It's the quintessential fish for that iconic British takeaway. That mild, flaky cod, encased in a crispy golden batter, served with a pile of hot chips and a good dollop of tartar sauce. It's comfort food perfection. It's a national treasure for a reason. But cod is so much more than just fish and chips, as brilliant as that is. Its mild flavor profile means it pairs wonderfully with a huge range of ingredients and cooking styles. Herbs, spices, sauces, vegetables. Cod welcomes them all with open fins. It doesn't try to steal the show, it complements. Think about baked cod with a lemon butter sauce and some fresh parsley. Simple, elegant, and absolutely delicious. The delicate flavor of the cod allows those bright, fresh notes of lemon and herbs to really sing. It's a testament to how less can often be more. Or how about pan-fried cod with a flavorful crust? A panko breadcrumb coating, perhaps seasoned with garlic and parmesan, can add a lovely crunch and another layer of taste, while the cod inside remains beautifully moist and flaky. It's a textural interplay that really works. Cod is also fantastic in stews and chowders. Its firmish texture holds up well to simmering, and it absorbs all the wonderful flavors of the broth and other ingredients. A hearty fish chowder on a cold day, with chunks of tender cod, that's proper soul food. Because it's a leaner fish compared to salmon, it's often seen as a lighter, healthier option by some. It's packed with protein, low in fat, and still provides essential nutrients. So, if you're looking for a guilt-free seafood choice that doesn't skimp on satisfaction, cod is a brilliant contender. Its adaptability extends to different cuisines too. From Portuguese bacalhau, salt cod dishes, which are a world of flavor in themselves, to simple grilled cod with Mediterranean vegetables, or even cod tacos with a zesty salsa, this fish can do it all. It's a global citizen. One of the keys to cooking cod perfectly is, much like salmon, not to overcook it. Because it's leaner, it can dry out if you're not careful. You want to cook it until it's just opaque and flakes easily with a fork. That's the sweet spot. Treat it gently. The beautiful white flesh of cod is also visually appealing. It looks clean, it looks fresh, and it provides a wonderful contrast to colorful sauces or accompaniments. It's an inviting presence on the plate, promising a delicate and satisfying meal. When buying cod, look for fillets that are translucent white, firm, and moist. Right, the tasting is done, the scores are in, and the kitchen has cooled down. So, which fish came out on top in our blind taste test? Was it the rich, decadent salmon or the flaky, versatile cod? The results might just surprise you, or perhaps they'll confirm what you've known all along. Were you able to guess correctly from home? Did your favorite reign supreme? Let us know in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts, your predictions, and your own fishy preferences. This has been a proper culinary clash, a testament to two fantastic inhabitants of the deep blue. Both salmon and cod bring something unique and delicious to the table, and ultimately the best often comes down to personal preference and how you're preparing it. But today, one of them edged out the other in our specific challenge. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the showdown, share it with your fellow food fanatics, and subscribe for more exciting food showdowns and no-nonsense cooking advice. Thanks for joining us in this seafood showdown. We've sliced, we've diced, we've tasted, and hopefully, we've settled a few debates, or maybe started a few new ones. The world of food is full of these amazing comparisons, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more delicious taste tests and culinary adventures right here. We'll be back in the kitchen before you can say fish and chips. Now get cooking,